Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Rithmic Trader Pro Mobile. First, download and log in Rithmic Trader Pro Mobile, your broker's Rithmic powered app. Enter your username, password, and system information provided by your broker. Make sure your trading account is already funded before you start. Next, select the market and instrument you want to trade. Go to quotes or markets. Then search for futures like ES for S&P 500, NQ for Nasdaq, or CL for crude oil. Tap the instrument to open its trading screen. Now open the chart and analyze it. View the pricing chart and add indicators like moving average, RSI, or volume. These tools help you decide the best time to enter a trade. To place a trade, tap trade or order. Then choose buy if you expect the price to go up or sell if you expect it to go down. Set the quantity of contracts and choose the order type like market or limit. Finally, confirm the order to execute it. Managing risk is very important. Before or after entering a trade, set a stop loss to limit potential losses and take a profit to lock in profits. This protects your account from leverage losses. Finally, monitor and close your trade. Track your open positions, adjust the stop loss if needed, and tap close when you want to exit. Your profit or loss will update instantly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.